Hey, what is up, kiddies? Welcome back to another episode where I try to save my channel from its inevitable death. Anyways kids, I got Battle Pass. Now I am the most tryhard player in the pixelated gunners of the 3rd D. Anyways guys, you can say that this is yet another episode of gun review, but this time I'm reviewing the guns that were given in the Battle Pass. But first, let's finish some Battle Pass challenges. Now that we finally reached level 30, it's time to claim the final things on the Battle Pass. And now that we have claimed the rewards for the Battle Pass, it's time to get on the gun review. First off is the badly named gun, the Pew Pew Rifle. The Pew Pew Rifle has a capacity of 40 shots and a fair fire rate of 98. It has X-ray vision and also inflicts random effects on targets such as burning, poison and bleeding. The second gun is the Pixel Stream Sword. This melee is good for close-range melee combat, and it also has the same amount of mobility as the Dark and Elder Force sabers. The weapon also inflicts poison when it hits a target. The next gun on the list is the 2 backpack. The 2 backpack is basically a backpack with those 2 co-op survival monsters that spit at you when you come a certain range. Anyways, this gun is a single shot weapon with looping shot and the burning effect. I would not recommend this weapon if you're playing on large maps like Nuclear City, Space Station or Alien Planet. Next up is the supercharged rifle.
Actually, it's called the supercharged rifle.
Shut up, Pixel Man, go back to your office and lower the goddamn prices of the guns. If you want, I can super kick you out of this video and super kick you back to your office myself.
Well, I guess I'll go now. Jake Paul is number 1.
The supershot rifle is supposedly an area damage sniper, but when I checked it out, there was literally no area damage on it. One effect that the game forgot to add in is the bleeding effect the gun has when it hits the target. It's a very overpowered sniper, and at one point it became very cancerous in one brawl mode. This gun is great at any map and has a huge capacity of 12 shots and a fast fire rate of 83. Finally we have the Hyper Mega Cannon. The Hyper Mega Cannon is a charge shot and has a huge area damage radius that can be increased when certain modules are added. The gun is very fatal when you are hit by it, and it also prevents you from jumping. So if you were hit the first time, you definitely will want to get away from the second shot as it will kill you. Well guys, if you made it all the way up to this point, I congratulate you because you somehow managed to keep your brain cells intact after this whole shitload of shit thrown at you. Anyways kids, I definitely recommend the battle pass because hey, what is up kiddies? Welcome back to another episode where I try to save my channel will kill you.